Welcome to Club Mash. This is the third tutorial in the series for building your club website. As you can see, we're continuing on from the previous two tutorials with our Waverisers website. Today's tutorial is going to address adding pages and navigation items. So as you can see, we've already added a page here. I'm in it at the moment, About Us. And we've also added a sub page to the About Us section, which is called Surfing Info. Just click on it there, you can see Surfing Info comes up. So at this point, before you start adding pages, I would suggest that you get your content together, group it in a logical format. You have a maximum of 6 links here that you're allowed, so About Us and then 5 others in this particular case. And then within each primary link, you can have as many as you want sub pages there. Okay, so just with that in mind, let's get started. As you can see here, we've already logged into the Club Mash admin system. So to add a page, you just go simply to add a page. There you go, and it brings us to this form which we need to fill in. Title, short name, the navigation level, the actual body content of the page, and then there's a few other features down here which we'll discuss later. So the title refers to this here. Okay, the navigation item or navigation name refers to the About Us here or the Surfing Info here, depending. The navigation level defines whether or not it's going to go up here or within a particular category down here. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just going to put a July report up. Typing has never been the best. Okay, it's a short name. It's just called Club Report. And we're going to leave it at first level navigation, which means that it will just slot in here beside About Us. I've pre-prepared some content for this already. So here it is here. I'm just going to copy and paste it in here. There it is there. Now if you want to make something bold, for example, you just highlight it and make it bold like that. If you'd like to make some text red or a different color, you just go here and make it red. You can use different styles here if you wish. I would suggest that you use them very sparingly, if at all. Bold and the color tends to be enough in order to highlight what you need to say in any particular article. You can also make it italic if you need to. Okay, and that's it for the time being. You can add images as well, but we will be discussing that in a future tutorial, so we're just going to skip over that right now. And once you've done that, you just click Save. And there you can see you've added your club report. And if we go over to the actual website itself, you can see, refresh the page, and your club report is there. Just click on that and you can see that the content is there as you had set it up. Okay, now in order to add a sub page like Surfing Info here to the club report, it's a very similar process. We just pop back over to our content, add a page, just like that. Let's call it, give it another title. Today's weather, that'll do. Sub name is going to be weather report. Okay, now instead of having it at a first level navigation, you just highlight club report and then it will slot into that category. If you wanted to put it in the About Us, you would just choose About Us there. Okay, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we'll choose club report. I have some content here as well, which I've prepared. Just going to paste that in there. Just going to format it a little, make that bold so it stands out. Now these links here we can turn into links, but we're going to discuss that, links to websites, other websites, but we're going to discuss that in a future tutorial. So for the time being we'll just leave it as it is and then click save. As you can see, we still have our two main pages here, but if you go to the filter and choose Club Report, you'll see that our new page has been created within that. If you go to our actual website, click refresh. Okay, and then go to Club Report, because that's where it is obviously, and there you go, your weather report is in there. Okay, so that's how you add pages to your website. It's a very simple process. I hope you found that helpful. Thank you very much.